I am now a plantito, not platito, but plantito. Mabuhay or Kapampangan kayo. It's me, Kirby Aráullo, and if you're new to my channel, in this channel, I make videos about our history, culture, and about our people. And I'm a historian and a cultural advocate. And the month of October is a special month for a lot of people in different places around the world. For example, in my own hometown in the Philippines, in Angeles City, where I was born in Pampanga, October is also our fiesta month, wherein throughout the month there's multiple fiestas happening in my hometown. And at the end of the month, we even have this traditional, or it became a tradition, this huge street party, what do you call it? It's more like a combination of Oktoberfest and Mardi Gras. And it's called Titigan Terahan King Dalan, which is literally music and dancing in the streets. And it began in the 90s, and I grew up in it. I mean, I literally grew up with my grandma planning it back in the 90s when they started it. So I kind of missed that, but I'm not sure if it's happening today because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Yeah, so that's October in my hometown. And of course, for many of us here in the US, for many Filipinos in the United States, October is also Filipino-American History Month, because it was in October 1587 when the first people from the islands of the Philippines landed in California in what would become the United States. So it was in 1587 when that happened. If you want to learn more, I made a video about that in English and in Tagalog, and even in Spanish. So check them out. The links up here or down below. I also this morning I created a playlist of all my videos in English that is about Filipino-American History Month. So check that out. It's going to be linked up here and down below, so you can watch a whole playlist to learn more about the long and rich history of Filipinos in America since 1587. So the topics of the videos in the playlist ranges from the 1500s to the 2019. It's very long. And of course, October is also the Indigenous Peoples Month in the Philippines. Since 23 years ago, they passed a law to officially recognize the indigenous peoples of the Philippines by law. Yet, a lot of them are still struggling to have their rights recognized. So the struggle continues. So this month is a month that commemorates that and celebrates our indigenous peoples in the Philippines. So yeah, October is it's a month full of many things, many celebrations, many commemorations, historic things and whatnot. And here on YouTube, in the YouTube community, October is also a special month. It's called Vlogtober, and it's been happening for many years now, over 10 years, maybe 15 years that they've been doing Vlogtober. So a lot of YouTubers do this, a lot of creators do this, and it's something that I've been thinking of doing myself for many years now, yet I haven't really done it. So I'm not really sure what to do yet. So that's why I posted that picture on my Instagram and Facebook and on YouTube, asking the community what they think I should do, or what they think if I should even do a Vlogtober. And it seems like the initial response was positive, so we'll see. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do it every day yet. I'm not sure how often I'm gonna be posting yet, but I still want to challenge myself and record every day, and then maybe upload it every day if I can, or the other extreme, it would be record every day but only upload it once a week. But I do have a compromise in mind, which is basically recording every day but only uploading every 2 or 3 days. So it's more manageable, para mas madali siyang i-manage at para hindi masyadong pressure. So it doesn't have too much pressure on me. Let's be honest, my heart is set on doing Vlogtober. I'm not sure if I can really keep up with it, but my heart is set on it in doing this challenge. So if you want me to answer any questions, if you want me to talk about any topics, let me know in the comments below. So my idea is not necessarily doing my everyday life, because it's quarantine. It's kind of, I'm still in the same place. But my idea is answering different questions in a more personal way. Yeah, send in the questions in the comments below or DM me. I actually read my DMs whenever I have time. I mean, marami nag-message sa akin. So pasensya na kung hindi ko pa nababasa yung mga message nyo, but I try my best to answer your messages. You can suggest, you can ask me any questions, suggest any topics that relate to the things we're celebrating and commemorating this month. It could be, if you're in my hometown in Pampanga, in Angeles, it could be about my roots in Pampanga, my roots in Angeles, my childhood even, since it's Fiestang Kulyat. Also, if you're in the Philippines and you're interested in about the life of Filipino Americans or the long history of Filipinos in America, you can also suggest any topics relating to that. And then of course, it's Indigenous Peoples Month in the Philippines, so anything that you want to learn more about Indigenous peoples in the Philippines, you can also suggest that. And I'll answer the best that I can. And I'm not gonna claim that I know everything, but I'll share what I know. So yes, I'll be filming every day. And I'm not sure how often I'm gonna upload them yet, but I'll be filming every day, answering your questions. So yeah, right now we're just waiting for our friend Teresa. Teresa owns this business called mylushspace.com, and we ordered some plants, and we're currently waiting for them to deliver the plants. So we're excited to see it. So excited na ako. I'm excited to see our new plants, to make my space more lush, more vibrant, more alive. So yeah, I'm excited to be a plant daddy soon. Malapit na ako maging plant daddy, or in Tagalog, plantito. But yeah, I'm excited to see our plants. Yeah, I'll just wait. Malapit na akong maging plantito. Malapit na akong maging plantito. Not platito, plantito. Our plants are here. Yay, our plants are here from Teresa at mylush.com. What's up? Thanks, Teresa.
It's mylushspace.com.
Sorry.
You didn't know because I ordered it.
I'm sleepy. Hey, I chose this.
Yeah, you did, but
I chose half the plants. Teresa's my friend too, okay?
You're hilarious.
So yes, I'm sleepy. So it is mylushspace.com. You're gonna follow them on Instagram at mylushspace, right?
Yes.
Cool.
Just mylushspace.
Yes.
Sound like you were gonna say something else after that.
I know. Sorry, I'm sleepy, y'all. I'm really sleepy. So yes, this is it for the first day of the Vlogtober. Tomorrow, I guess I'll be talking about the plants that we got. So yes, this is the palm plant that I got, that I chose myself from Teresa and her partner Alan at mylushspace.com. They're really nice people. They drove all the way from San Jose to deliver plants in Sacramento, and then in Davis, and then back in San Jose. So yes, tomorrow, next video, I'll be talking about the plants. So yeah, I guess I am now a plant daddy.
Okay, don't break the plant.
Sorry.
You're moving it all over the place.
Sorry, I just love plants. I'm just gonna. Can I just hug this to sleep?
Sure.
Just kidding. This palm tree reminds me of home, reminds me of the motherland. So yes, that is it for me today. If you like this video and learned a thing or two, which I don't think you did, but sure if you did, don't forget to like, share this video, comment down below, and subscribe. And if you want to help me make more videos like this and my other kind of more educational videos, you can check out the links up here or down below for the many ways you can support me. Patreon, please be my patron. Salamat sa mga Patreon natin, sa mga patrons natin na patuloy na sumusuporta sa lahat ng aking pinaggagawa. What else? Yes, I have a book. It's Filipino American History Month. One of the most forgotten or untold part of the Filipino and American history is African Americans helping Filipinos in the Philippine American War. So check out my book, Black Lives and Brown Freedom, Untold Histories of War and Genocide. It's available on gotclothing.com and on lulu.com. So visit those websites to get a copy of my book. Yeah, my book is right there. Black Lives and Brown Freedom. But yes, my plants are here. I'm a plantito now. I am now a plantito. Not plantito, but plantito. See y'all next time. Or Tagalog kita-kits and in Kapampangan. Mikitix. Bye.